Riwruog jochiw thieth motisni mano mar Nases oketo kokgi e winjruok margi mokwongo maduogo e tich ayanga kindie kod migao mar thieth. Kolose kinde mar goyo kogno winjruok makamano mano osedhi ayanga kod jagoro mongirore mar thieth Mary Mudhoni kod Harry Kimtai wacho ni sirikal osingo miyo luor singruok margi. Kalore kod jagoro mongirore mar riwruogno Seth Panyako, moko kuom ber magiyude winjruogno gin kaka omenda mar masira, lewni mag tich kaachiel kod omenda mar bero tich mar jochiw thieth.
And thank you for being honest and keeping silent.
Thank you. I want to assure the union that as agreed in this collective bargaining agreement, we shall endeavor to deliver on our part as a government. Our request, therefore, is to the union to urge their members to continue dedicating themselves to delivery of service at this very critical juncture where we are implementing universal healthcare coverage.
This is the union that has not gone even on industrial strike in a very, very long time, because we have been in conversation and we have agreed on a number of issues, and they have been patient, and you can see patience pays. Secondly, this is the first ever collective bargaining agreement with the Ministry of Health, and we are happy to achieve it together and again implement the same together.
To have a collective bargaining agreement that will serve as a foundation for the future engagement. As a Nases union, we have resolved to engage our employers both in public and private sector through the law, and specifically putting forward the issue of dialogue. We do not want to engage in industrial actions, because most of industrial actions